So today we are going to add and subtract mixed numbers. All right, so this should be very simple for us. This is a review, and we're just going to be adding mixed numbers and subtracting mixed numbers today. All right, so one problem that we see here is 2 and 1/3 plus 2 and 1/3. So these are mixed numbers, and just to review, remember that you need to add the fractions first. So 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3. And then add my whole numbers. 2 plus 2 is 4. So my answer will be 4 and 2/3. There's no improper fractions here or anything like that. So my final answer would just be 4 and 2/3. All right, so let's look at this one. We're subtracting the mixed number. So we have 6 and 4/5 minus 1 and 3/5. So remember, subtract your fraction first. 4/5 minus 3/5. And what would you get? Good. You will get 1/5. And then 6 minus 1 is 5. So the answer would be 5 and 1/5. All right, good job. So now we're just going to do one with the word problem just to make sure that we know our calculations, but we need to understand what am I solving in a word problem. So for this problem, James has 3 and 2/3 pies, eats 1 and 1/3 pies. How many slices of pie does James have left? So you're solving 3 and 2/3 and 1 and 1/3. How many slices does he have left? So I know that left means I need to subtract on this problem. So I'm subtracting 3 and 2/3 minus 1 and 1/3. I'll look at my fractions first. And I know 2/3 minus 1/3 is 1/3. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. So my answer would be 2 and 1/3. James has 2 and 1/3 slices of pie left. Good job, you guys.